Here's a little kitty. I think he's scared of the thing. This thing. He was already on top of me. Right? Dog clothes, dog clothes, dog clothes, dog clothes, dog leash. The other cat is sleeping. Where's Max Beach?
We're gonna wait for Blue. Go. Oh. Don't touch. No. Leave it. Leave them. God. No. Leave it. No. They're gonna scratch you. No. You wanna go outside? Okay, Chloe.
Come me back.
Do you have his leash and stuff? It's black. Yeah, it's a leash in the harness. No! Wait. Not leaving! Okay, come on.
El mío todavía falta mucho.
Ese fue el último.
¡Oh, fue el último!
Usted sí.
Es que con lo que pasa, nosotros ya no nos vemos para la casa porque yo vivo hasta la 40, pero de la Tunnel Avenue. Y me dijo mi hijo a las 5:30, mami dice que ya está listo.
Sorry, my dog.
Vamos a sentarnos por allá un rato.
Cars passing.
Dice que lo dijo, lo voy a hacer pronto.
Okay, you guys have to wait. Wait.
Sí, lo llevó como media hora.
Baby, you. So, here's Peppa. Here's Steve Farm.
¿Lo grabaste el gato?
Sí.
A ver.
Wait. Así te enseñan en Mac. Here we are. Stay Farm. Still. Sorry. I show you soon. 5. Where's my french fries? 5 minutes. You eat it. Since 5 minutes. Pass by. I wish I could see you. I wish I could see my dog already because I missed him since 1 o'clock. They still not ready because he was the last one. So, but now I'm home, guys. Here's my sister. Here's my mom. Here's my sister. Eating one dog. Barbecue. So, even if you guys have Instagram, nah, puppies heaven. Just write it down. Puppies heaven. Even I will show you a note.